Count and read numbers 1 to 10. Number 1. This number does not follow the phonetic rules. So, read it as O-N-E 1. 2. 1, 2. 2. This number also does not follow the rules of phonetic sounds. So, read it as T-W-O 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's read it now. E 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Let's read it now. O 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This word is a magic E word. Do you know the rules of magic E? When a word ends with a vowel, consonant and E, the vowel makes the long sound because E gives all its power to the vowel and E becomes silent. So you read this word as I-V. 5. Next we have number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's read the word X, 6. Next we have number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and number 7. Let's read the word Se-V-N, 7. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's read the word. This word has a silent blend in it. GH is a silent blend. Now how do we read this word? EI makes the sound A. A. GH is already silent, so don't make any sound for it. And the last letter is T, so it makes the sound T. T. Join the sounds together now. 8, 8, 8, 8. That's right. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's read the word. This is also a magic E word. Remember the vowel consonant E rule? We already did this with number 5. This word ends with a vowel, consonant and E. E gives all its power to the vowel I, making it a long sound. So, I. 9. You need to add the letter E when you're writing, but don't say the sound when you read this word. Got it? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's read the word. N. 10. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.